What is up guys, Tanner this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate your screen on Windows 10. So first you need to head over to the search bar and then you need to type in settings. After clicking on settings and opening the settings application, you just need to search for display. And after searching for display, you will see the display settings. Click on this display settings option, and from here you will see the display orientation section. And when you click on this landscape, you will see the landscape flipped and the portrait flipped. So when you click on this landscape flip, this will flip your entire screen, and this is how you can just flip your window screen. And when you've seen these two options, and when you want to keep the screen flipped, click on keep or save the changes, or if you don't want it, you can click on revert to go back to the original screen. So this is how you can rotate your screen in Windows 11 or 10. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.